Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. Here in this video we will try to understand how to prepare for GATE 2021. So at the rate of Learning Monkey, in the Learning Monkey, with more than 1 year of our journey with Learning Monkey, the courses that we have prepared so far, the courses that we have so far prepared are C programming, data structures, database management system and digital logic design. So these are the courses that were completely done at the rate of Learning Monkey. For GATE 2021, these are the courses that we can learn, that you can learn completely at the rate of Learning Monkey, and it is absolutely free. All these courses are completely and fully available freely at the rate of Learning Monkey. How to prepare for these courses? So how these courses are arranged? Where can we find these courses? So all these concepts, all these topics we will try to understand here. So far how these courses are arranged at the rate of Learning Monkey is, these are the courses that we have done so far. It is C programming, data structures and database management system, and the other course is digital logic design. All these 4 courses, every course in our channel is going to be arranged in the playlist. So this course is going to be arranged in one playlist, and this one will get arranged in another playlist. So every course is going to be arranged in a playlist. How the videos are arranged in the playlist? The videos are designed based upon these sections. So every course is divided into sections. For example, if you take C programming course, this course is divided into 9 sections. Data structures course is divided into 8 sections. Database management system is divided into 6 sections, and this digital logic design has been divided into 5 sections. And how these videos are arranged? So section wise, these videos are the videos which are related to these sections. For example, if you take expressions in C programming, the videos which are related to expressions are arranged in a sequential order based upon these sections. So the order of the lessons, the order of the videos has been provided in the description of the video. In the title of the video, you will be provided with the lesson number, starting from the first lesson and to the ending of the lesson. Ending of all these lessons are arranged based upon this sequence of sections. After completion of every section, so for example, if you take expressions, the theoretical concepts will be explained in some videos. For example, it may take 10 videos. After the completion of 10 videos, we are going to solve the bits, the gate bits which are related to these sections. So after expressions, some of the bits which are related to the expressions will get solved, and after that these section bits will get solved. So in the same way, after completion of every section, the gate bits which are related to that section will get solved. That is the way the entire courses at the rate of Learning Monkey has been designed. So all these sections, all these courses were clearly provided at the playlist of our channel. How to find Learning Monkey? How to find Learning Monkey? Let's check this. Take any browser, and here go to YouTube and go to search, just type Learning Monkey. In this, just type Learning Monkey. So you're getting this, and just search for it. And this is our logo, and this is our channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel and click on this Learning Monkey, and this is the home page of our channel, and you will be provided with different tabs here. In these tabs, click on playlists. With this, you are going to get all the playlists which has been in which the videos of the channel will get arranged. So far we are having this playlist as on date, which is today's date is 29 August 2020. As on date, these are the content, this is the content that we have developed so far. So apart from GATE courses, we also deal with advanced courses. We are going to teach we also teach advanced courses like learning, machine learning, and the course called Python. So all these courses are the courses which has been dealt so far, and we also have logic building course for placements. So Learning Monkey is a platform where a computer science student can learn from basics to advanced courses for free. Okay, so for example, if you take this digital logic design course playlist, so these are the videos that belong to this playlist. So the videos are arranged according to the lesson number. Starting from here, you start reading from here, start learning from here, and this entire course is going to have 122 videos so far, and still there are some videos to be uploaded. They will get uploaded soon. So this way, the lesson 12, lesson 13. So in this way, in the sequence of order of the preparation, the videos has been updated. For example, if you take the digital logic design course, the first section is number system section. So see here. So here in the digital logic design course, the first section is number system section. So the videos which are related to this number system are arranged in the sequential order. After completion of this section, we are going to solve some gate problems. So let's check whether they are arranged in that order or not. So let's see that. So these are the videos which are related to the number system, and after completion of number system videos, see here. So these are the gate bits which are solved based upon number. These are the questions which are based upon this section called number system. The gate bits which are asked based upon that number system section has been solved. Some of the gate bits has been solved. In that way, every section, after completion of every section, there will be some gate bits which will get solved, So this is the way in which the entire courses, all these 4 courses has been designed, and the concepts are very clearly explained. So the concepts which are related has been very clearly explained. And while preparing for your course, if you have any doubts regarding those concepts, you can ask those doubts in the comment section. We are going to help you in understanding the questions, in making you understand the doubts that you have raised. So we are going to respond for your questions, and we are going to produce the solutions for your doubts in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. And if you feel that the content that we have provided is very good and it is very useful for your GATE preparation, please like our video, and please share our video to your friends so that they can prepare for their careers. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.